And here's the tape. Looks like I'm out of time. And was put on December 10th, 2003. December 10th, 2003. Now available on video cassette.
I like to work from rooftops. It's my style. Any door, any window where he shows any part of his body or his head, I mean, I gotta get out of here.
I have another job for you at the end of next week.
Where to, Frankie? Somewhere south of the border. The other end of South America.
A film by Robert Duvall.
Anything on me. Not unless you find a weapon in my hand and a dead body, and that's not gonna happen. It's going to be done right. That's going to be my way.
Legendary Oscar-winning actor Robert Duvall.
Who was going to pull the trigger, Frankie? Hey?
Ruben Blades and Luciana Pedraza.
You're going too fast, my friend. My job is my job, and that's it. Tomorrow evening, I intend to do my job.
Assassination Tango. Now available on VHS and DVD. I need to get that one. Following previous disaster of oranges for the Motion Picture Association America.
Are you really Tommy Gunn's daughter?
I can't believe it.
Molly Gunn was a rock and roll princess
I'm a fan of your father's, thanks.
who led a charmed life.
What is that?
He was going to be my curry dinner one night and we fell in love.
This one's for you.
Can I have some for my birthday?
Molly, focus.
Until reality
Your electric has been canceled. Who pays your bills?
Bob.
gave her a wake-up call.
Bob Kapelski disappeared.
With $100 million.
Now the girl who never grew up
So what do I do about money?
get a job is about to face her biggest challenge.
Oh my God. Kira, my new name? You need to see us really be getting desperate.
Look at these cute little skunks.
You got your germy drool of my plastic scum, you freako.
Kid, have you ever been to a shrink?
Since I was 3. Give me that plate.
Oops, no, sorry, you might infect it.
No! Get a brew.
I am employed by your mother.
Do you see her anywhere? News flash. You're working for me. I quit! Swinging doors.
I don't know what's been going on between you and my daughter. But you're right, because you don't know your own daughter.
MGM Pictures presents
Can't act like a kid anymore.
Don't leave like this.
Brittany Murphy,
What's so great about being a grown-up anyway? So I can turn out like you?
You're scared.
Dakota Fanning,
It's kind of harsh.
It's a harsh world.
in a comedy about a grown-up who needed to grow up.
We are going to sit in giant teacups and spin round till we puke.
Are you insane?
And the kid who taught her how.
You and I, we're going to be friends.
Grown-ups never stay friends with kids.
I don't see any grown-ups around here.
I do.
Uptown Girls.
following previous tests are for all issues of the Motion Picture Association America.
We are down and disabled out on East 9. Anyone read me?
There's something going on out here. I don't like it.
All you kids, get down!
It isn't dead.
Looks dead to me.
Jeepers Creepers 2. Now on VHS and DVD. Coming soon on video cassette. The following previous tests are for all issues for the Motion Picture Association America.
I want each of you to tell me something right now that gives your life meaning.
Keeping it real, you know what I'm saying?
For love.
Love. Boom. You don't think you chose the actions that caused you to be in this room right now sitting in front of me? I didn't choose to be here. You didn't choose to bash that kid's head in with the baseball bat? I'm just curious how someone as intelligent as you could hurt another human being that bad and have no remorse for it whatsoever.
My mom never hits me. She just is always saying really, really horrible things to me.
Who is the most important person in your life? I don't really think I met that person yet.
Why are you here, man? Why are you alive? Do you want to be alive?
Just This is a modified Stretcho version. It's been formatted for your TV.